frame house, designed by Théque Atelier, is a stunning residence located in Szeged, Hungary. This home harmoniously blends modern architecture with nature, featuring a cantilevered framed porch that allows vegetation to thrive underneath. The design prioritizes open, light-filled interiors, with rooms directly connected to the outdoors via a surrounding porch. The house is divided into intimate and communal spaces, organized around two atriums that enhance the connection with nature. Built on a loess hill near conservation woods, this home exemplifies thoughtful integration of architecture and the natural environment.